Hi all, this is Abhishek and you're watching T.O TV. Welcome to Sector Watch, where we break down the latest developments happening in different sectors in crypto and Web3 space. So today we're looking at altcoins and stablecoins. This is the Sector Watch for this week. The altcoin season index stands at 19, which is up from 13 last week, which is provided by CoinMarketCap. While Bitcoin dominance remains strong, a rise above the altcoin index above 50 would indicate the start of a true alt season. Now, what is altcoin? What is alt season? Altcoins are any alternate, they are known as alternate cryptocurrency. So it means any other coin except for Bitcoin. The exact definition isn't there, but essentially it means any other coin except for Bitcoin. And alt season means that when alternate coins or altcoins are pumping, that means that alt season. So some analysts are arguing that alt season may have already passed, with liquidity shifting towards meme coin and institutional grade investment products. Now, the stablecoin market cap has also surged past 200 billion. Now it is up from $115 billion a year ago, reflecting growth and demand for digital dollar alternatives. Meanwhile, the altcoin market cap has declined to $1.2 trillion from $1.4 trillion over a year ago, but also peaked at $1.9 trillion in December 2024, highlighting shifting market dynamics, and lately it's been showing increased Bitcoin dominance. Stablecoins remain a crucial pillar in crypto liquidity, facilitating transactions across decentralized finance, DeFi, and centralized exchanges. However, increasing regulatory scrutiny and new entrants in the stablecoin sector are reshaping the landscape. The emergence of state-backed stablecoins, financial institution-led initiative, and political figures entering the market further complicates this industry's future. Now let's look at the market moves and key developments that have been happening in altcoins lately. So first is Ethereum Spectra upgrade. Ethereum Spectra upgrade will be activated on OD testnet this week. This upgrade means a fusion of the Flag and Electra updates, introducing features like ERC20 gas fee payments, transaction batching, sponsored transactions, and a high staking limit. If successful, mainnet activation could be followed by late April. Next is Aave's buyback and governance expansion. Following the approval of Aave Novic's proposal, Aave could implement a buy and distribute mechanism allocating $1 million per week for 6 months to buy back Aave token. If the final governance vote passed, buybacks could begin by the end of this month, reinforcing ecosystem stability and boosting long-term value. Third is Berachain's proof of liquidity launch. Berachain's POL mechanism will go live, allowing ecosystem dApps to compete for token emissions by bribing Berachain validators. This marks a unique approach to liquidity incentivization and could impact the broader DeFi landscape. Next, we have a few new tokens launching, altcoins launching, and there's this platform known as Forge FJORD Foundry. So there's currently one sale going live, which is Stablejack, which started on March 26th. The token, they're raising $1.2 million and they are 75% filled. Athena Labs is also the accelerator. So what is Stablejack? Stablejack is a yield, volatility, and points market for any asset. Investors can access fixed and leverage yield on any asset. Next sale that we have going on is Beraboro, again on Forge Foundry. Token sale begins on March 28th. Beraboro unlocks instant liquidity against Berachain assets to the first POL that we discussed, powered stablecoin NECT, which can be utilized throughout the Berachain DeFi ecosystem. The all-time high total value locked for this protocol is $400 million, making it third largest CDP protocol in the world. And next launch that we have, which would be launching in a few hours or could probably launch when the show goes live, is Hyperstable. It is a crypto-backed, over-collateralized and decentralized stablecoin launching on the Hyperium, which is by Hyperliquid. So that was some token updates and token launches that are happening lately. Now let's continue with the altcoin update. So we have Camino Finance Majors announcement. Camino Finance has been teasing a major product release with hence expected in the coming days. This project has been gaining a lot of traction in the DeFi space, and any significant upgrade could lead to increased adoption. And the last point is Ripple's XRP lawsuit developments, with the SEC dropping its appeal against Ripple. Focus now shifts to Ripple's cross appeal, which aims to challenge its $125 million fine and the ruling that institutional XRP safe for security offerings. A decision to proceed with Ripple by in the next legal battle. So that was it for altcoins. Now let's look into stablecoins. What's been happening in the stablecoin sector? Number one is Fidelity Investment prepares for stablecoin launch. It's currently in testing and it will function as a digital cash equivalent, aligning with growing regulatory clarity on crypto financial products. Next is the Wyoming state-backed stablecoin. It's set for July. Developed with Layer 0, is in the final stage of testing across multiple blockchains. This initiative aims to enhance financial transparency backed by Wyoming State Stable Token Act. Next is Custodia Bank. It is in partnership with Vantage Bank, has launched Avith, AVIT, the first bank-issued stablecoin on a permissionless blockchain, tokenizing dollar demand deposits on Ethereum. The initiative highlights low transaction costs, fast settlements, and improved auditability. CEO Kathleen long emphasized its compliance and regulatory milestone, potentially shaping the future stablecoin policies. Then we have Request Finance. They've processed over $1 billion in stablecoin payments, serving major clients like the Sandbox and Arbitrum blockchain. To expand its crypto payment solution, it secured funding from BPI France and acquired Consola Finance and paid also. With macro regulations approaching, the platform is strengthening its compliances. Donald Trump's crypto firm World Liberty Finance set to launch USD1, a stablecoin backed by US Treasury fees and dollar deposits. This aligns with Trump's push to position US as a global crypto hub while also raising concerns over potential regulatory conflicts. Then we've got Circle and SBI. They expand in USDC in Japan. Circle has secured Japan's first stablecoin approval, partnering with SBI Holdings to bring USDC to the Japanese markets. SBI VC Trade will list USDC on March 26, with other exchanges expected to follow, marking a major step for Japan's stablecoin framework. So what's the final take? Altcoins are evolving beyond a unified category with sector-specific narratives driving value. Stablecoins are playing an increasingly significant role not only in DeFi liquidity but also in institutional finance and regulatory discussions. With major players like Fidelity, Wyoming, and Trump-backed ventures entering the market, stablecoin competition is intensifying. Keep an eye on Ethereum Spectra upgrade, Aave buybacks, new token launches, and stablecoin sector developments as the next catalyst for the crypto space. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching T.O TV. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be updated with the latest news and developments happening in the Web3 space. See you again next time. Goodbye for now.